purpose actually is a larger category within which calling and passion fit. And again, because I'm writing particularly in this moment and a time where we, especially as 21st century Americans, this is a tendency that we have, is to attach money and income to all of these categories, which is where we greatly go astray, because we can have passions and callings that fulfill our purpose that are things that we don't get paid for. And that's a big part of what I'm trying to show. And if we do get paid for it, wonderful. It's just, again, that expectation that it will be that way that I think is the root of all kinds of evil. And so passion, if I can invoke a metaphor, is really like the gas or the fuel, the source of energy, the thing that drives us. And purpose is how that gets directed, how that energy or fuel gets directed or driven. And within that, it can be vocation, it can be calling, but our overall purpose is sort of the largest category within which all of these terms fit.